Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, gentlemen of the press, I'd like to thank you for coming. I'm sure you, just as he has told you, we've just finished a meeting. The service chiefs, the Inspector General of Police, the DGDSS, represented by his Director of Operations, the DGNI and the CDI, all of us looking at the security for the elections. And as you know, the police is the lead agency for elections security. And we have compared notes and assessed the entire situation, and we are good to go. The assessment is that we are set on all fronts. We equally got representation from the INEC chairman, who of course you have interacted with, who has also told Nigerians and the world that they are ready for this election. So by and large, we are good to go, and I'd like to use this opportunity to assure Nigerians that on the security front, we are good to go on all fronts. Thank you.
Okay. 2 questions. If there is none, thank you very much for coming.
You don't have any questions?
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Wait now, we'll listen to him.
I have a question. My name is Lawan Bukameng and I am from ER Nigeria and Economic Confidentials. In Nigeria, today there are some states and some NGOs that are still battling terrorists. So I want to know, how do you intend to, make sure that those places, have elections?
Well, I do not need to tell you how we will do it. But all I'm telling you is that we will do it, and everyone will have the liberty to exercise their franchise. This is part of the assessment we've done, and the general assessment is that yes, we are good to go. And we've made contingencies to address those peculiar areas.
And what's your message to those that are planning to cause trouble?
They better have a rethink, because they will have a bloody nose.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that how you guys do it?
Who is called?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.